DeMerit here in North Jersey at the Sportfriends Soccer Club. 1933 this club started. So you talk about history in North America soccer, this is where we're at. And this is the cool part. Today we're combining two really important things, sports and philanthropy. On the sports side, we're going to put on a free soccer clinic. Defending is an art form. It's a never-ending ability to work hard and compete against the really good players. Not only are these kids going to learn what it's like to defend a corner kick or kick a ball with someone that's played in the World Cup at the highest level, but we can also talk about adversity, teamwork, communication, and everything it takes to be successful in their own lives. On the philanthropy side, we got a girls' soccer tournament. That's free, as long as you bring a bag of clothes that you've collected in your community to donate to underprivileged kids. We've clearly had a great day here in New Jersey. We got all the kids that had fantastic games. They participated so well, but the best part is that there's about 15 tables in there full of clothes that are all going to deserving kids in South America. So guys, what are we gonna say? The 4 words that we learned today. Ready? Belief, respect, work ethic, and positivity. Good job. Good job.
Yeah. Number 1.
Everybody hold up one.
Good job, ladies.